Well, let's talk about Visa and Mastercard. Maybe even you're one of the few that still have American Express. All right, credit cards. They suck. Full stop. And hopefully you haven't stopped watching the video after I said that. My belief now is that they are the cigarette. They are the cancer of the financial world. Now, this is also someone that used to have a Visa because I wanted to keep it around for the cash back, right? Maybe you're keeping it around for reward points and you get to travel. You're trying to travel hack. Well, I tried to do the same, right? I got cash back and I would travel to this. It was a BP credit card, and I would go to BP out of my way and pay more for fuel just to get cash back. And then they would have special cashback days. So I'd go buy something that I didn't need in order to get more cash back. And we're talking about 1, 2, 3, maybe if you're lucky, 5% back. So we're talking about you have to spend $100 on something to get $5 back. Let's make that even bigger. You have to spend $100,000 on this card to get $5,000 back. When I put more zeros to it, it really starts sounding ridiculous. Right? So what is Visa and MasterCard? What are these credit card companies really doing? They're making money. That's why they're so heavily advertised. They're accepted everywhere because they know you don't pay your credit card off every single month. I was disciplined. I did it until I didn't, right? There was a missed month of income, or maybe I spent a little bit more than I thought I would on the credit card that month, right? And then the biggest thing is that I encourage you to do is to cut it up. Get rid of it. Because let me tell you, you can't give them money if you're not using their product. Visa and MasterCard know exactly what they're doing, and they're doing a fantastic job at it. They're making a lot of money off the backs of you and who used to be me. So the benefits, let's talk about the benefits of not having a credit card. You cut it up, you don't have it anymore. You cannot spend more than you earn. You cannot have your bank account go below zero. And guess what? You start paying attention more and you save a whole lot more than that $5,000 on that $100,000 example because you're not going to spend $100,000 on shit you don't need. Bottom line, it's easy. It is that easy. Another benefit is you get to save more money. Right? You get to have more money in your pocket. You get to do the things you want to do. One of the biggest things that I have gotten, I've received and heard clients receive as well, when you turn from a credit card and go all the way to cash, you get cash discounts. You get deals on it. You save even more money by asking for deals. This could be for small purchases, for groceries, right? Food. This could be on bigger purchases, such as a car. You could save thousands of dollars, a lot more than that 5% reward if you pay less than what it advertises for by simply asking, what do you have? What would you just consider a cash discount? Have you tried it? No, you'll be amazed. And that's just some of the benefits that I can recall that happened to me all of the time. So for you, what kind of benefits do you think would happen? There's probably some out there that you may not have any more arguments with your spouse. That's worth cutting up a credit card right there. Another one that I've experienced, fraud, right? Identity theft. They took my credit card number and ran it up. What? I don't have to deal with that anymore because guess what? You can't get tracked when you spend cash. And the benefit of identity thieves, I can't steal a number and use it because I'm using cash. Another benefit that I really remember of doing that is not getting marketed to. I don't get ads as much as someone that is getting their transactions recorded. Because I promise you, there are companies out there collecting all of that data, all of it, and they're marketing to you even heavier. Is it emails? Is it the things that you see on your phone, social media? Anything can come up. Again, when I use cash, I can't get marketed to as heavily. So if you stuck with me this long in this video, this episode, man, I encourage you, at a minimum, cut up all of the credit cards except for that special one that you have to have. And then let me convince you in 3, 6 months. Maybe it takes you 2 years to cut up that final one because your spending will change, your life will change, and you'll have more money and more to to respond positively to where you are in your financial journey to living your ideal life. And I want to remind you, be sure to like and subscribe and share this with that person that you have in your life that has more than one credit card. Maybe they have 25 credit cards. And no, that's not a made up number. That is a client that had 25 credit cards. Now, they were multiple store cards and all the benefits that come with those. But that's a mess to handle, right? Just give yourself this peace, the freedom to be able to live life on your terms, not chasing card points and rewards and airline miles.